this discovery just went to the public defender and not to Fontanez.
That's correct, Judge. I have the video.
Very well.
The reflection sent out to Mr.
So let's do another 3 weeks, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Try to get that to the right attorney, and I'll indicate that Mr. Costanzo is present. All right, matters postponed. So McDowell and Costanzo can disconnect. Can I have
Thank
your
you, Judge.
Acri, please?
Your Honor, again, please the court, Frankie Fontanes, representing defendant Brandon Ackley.
All right, and Acri, are you present? Acri, Brandon, you present? Do you know if he's present, Ms.
Judge, I did not know, Judge, you know, because
Brandon Davis is present.
I know I need a
No.
Brandon Acri. I need a Brandon Acri.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Judge, if he's not, Judge, can we do this by affidavit, Your Honor?
E21-1098 is being amended to 467. That fine will be 107.33 cost. Can we have that in 30 days, please, sir?
You will, Judge, have it in 30 days.
Thank you. All right, and may I have your appearance on Richards, Jasmine? Is that yeah?
Again, Your Honor,
Yes,
please the court, Frankie Fontanes, representing Mr. Jasmine.
All right, I have in front of me.
Jasmine,
The Ferris signal is being dismissed. 340 is being amended to expire. And how do you plead to that, Ms. Richards? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
207 fine, 33 costs, 20 days to appeal. The latter matter is being dismissed with court costs of 33. Are you able to pay in full within 30 days, or would you like a payment plan?
Yes, I'll pay in full.
We'll set it up as such. Thank you. All right, that's all I had for you, Mr. Fine. You have more?
no, that's all I have, Judge. You have a great day, Your Honor.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And if I could have council appearance on Adelaide?
Yes, William Veach for Adelaide.
Oh, you like that, Durant, huh?
Temitope, Your Honor.
Okay, so the last name is Timmy Tote?
It is.
Got it. All right, E21-1494, careless is being amended to unsafe. You need us to check the abstract?
We do, Your Honor, to make sure this is a first or second within the 5.
Welcome to the live. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. This is Freddy Feliz with the
And I
crazy
think
hair.
I screwed that up. I believe it is Temitope Adelaide is the last name.
Yeah, that's how we have it.
Yes, that's correct. I'm sorry.
I'm over here playing my games too. At the same time. Really don't care. Tú en corto, mujer.
Not eligible.
Okay. All right. I'll
Hay
leave
comida, hay
this with the
comida.
prosecutor on that one, please.
Okay. And you also have, could I have your appearance on Braxton?
Yes, Your Honor. William Veach for Miss Braxton. We have a formal reading. My client wishes to proceed by affidavit. She is a Florida resident.
All right, this is DJM 2903. That's dismissed. And the creating a risk. There's a guilty plea there. All right, so that.
Hell no, I'm not paying no fines, bro.
Cost of 33.
I am not paying no
I just
fines.
asked for affidavit in 30 days.
Okay, thank you.
And you have a Robert, is it Cipollone?
Cipollone, yes, Your Honor. We have a formal reading of this matter. He requests to proceed by affidavit as well.
Oh, okay, I think, yep, that one. He wants to talk to prosecutor about that one. All right, this is
That's where I am right here.
340 registration being amended to 329 B, and that is going to be 157, 33 calls, 20 days to appeal.
Mami, necesito lapicero.
Following supposedly dismissed. The careless, which is ticket number 1620, is being dismissed. And creating a risk is a guilty plea, 107 fine, 33 costs.
Civil reservation requested, please.
For that, okay, civil reservation. Affidavit in 30 days, please.
Thank you.
Selby.
Mami, yo no tengo
And the last one
lapicero.
I have is Destiny Kitchen.
Okay. Is there a Destiny Kitchen here? It's a, all right, we're looking for it. Oh, it's
Okay.
Think you got it. Can I have your parents?
William Beach for Destiny Kitchen. Waive a formal reading of the summons.
All right, can we see if this person is responding?
Man, necesito lapicero. Y yo está bien.
Thank you. All right, so this is this affidavit or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so this will be amended to 329, 157 fine, 33 court costs, 20 days to appeal, affidavit 30 days.
And Judge, I think I know the outcome with that
Yes.
Mr. Adelaide. I believe that we're probably going to request the presence of the officer. Could we postpone Mr. Adelaide for that purpose?
Yeah, we'll do that. We're going to postpone. There was no accident?
No, there was not. It's just a careless driving without any collision.
All right, so I'm going to schedule it for trial because that's the only way I get the officer here, okay?
Understood, yes.
Very well, thank you. So that Adelaide, or Tim Topi, Adelaide, postpone and schedule for trial. Thank you.
All right, Judge, have a good day.
Mami, necesito el seguro tuyo.
All right, now I have
¿Eh?
Selby. Is there counsel for Selby?
Yes, Your Honor. Talisa Lindsay for LaRon Selby. Your Honor, this matter
¿Cuál es tu fecha de
actually
nacimiento?
resolved. Mr. Selby is incarcerated.
¿Tres qué?
My office was supposed to submit the affidavit. I did meet with
Tres,
Mr.
seis,
Selby.
seis,
We
dos.
did get the affidavit signed off on. However, my
Adiós, porque yo no
office
estoy pendiente de esa
dropped the
vaina.
ball on forwarding that affidavit to Your Honor. And the last, because it was my understanding that we had the affidavit, it was my understanding my office forwarded that to the court. So I didn't appear at the last hearing. Your Honor, I would ask to lift the warrant for Mr. Selby and allow me to submit the affidavit today. I was trying to find out if there's an email that I can send it over to. Your Honor, if not, I can fax it to the court.
What's the email?
No, I got it on mute.
Court administrator.
I got they're on mute. I had to take off my camera off my
nj.org.
stream for I could use my camera on their.
Okay.
On their,
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll get that over
Right, and that warrant,
immediately.
that warrant is recalled for LaRon Selby. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
Yep.
May I be excused, Your Honor?
Have a great day. Thank you.
Mami, ¿cómo se llama el seguro tuyo?
And council appearance for Osho.
Jeff Shepard here, Your Honor.
Thank you. And what's the is your client here? I just want to know the pronunciation.
He's not here. How about Mr. Osho? I'm having trouble with the name, and he's not open by affidavit.
Got you. This is
Lucian.
Yeah, that's good. All right. E21-1203 being amended to delaying or creating a risk. Fine is 107.33 cost, 20 days to appeal. And can we have that affidavit in 30 days, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have anything else, Counselor?
That's it. Thanks, Judge.
Have a great day.
Thanks.
Mr. Is it Alakir Dai? Could you unmute, state your name and date of birth?
Alakir Dai, 010802.
DJM 2520 unregistered is being amended. Is your vehicle, you did register your vehicle? Or you have to show?
I registered my vehicle. I have all my stuff right here to show you.
Let me see if you can. The registration, please.
Yes.
'What's the date of the registration?
0522.
Like it's good through 0522, right?
Yes, good through 0522.
What car is on there for the registration?
Kia 2007 Sorento.
All right, this will be amended to fair to exhibit document dismissed with court cost of 33. I'll ask that you pay that in full within 30 days, sir. Thank you.
How much?
$33.
$33?
Yes, sir.
All right. And pay it full by when?
within 30 days.
Okay.
No,
So I
man,
can come
pon
up
tu so-
on Friday and just give him the $33.
You can, yes.
All right. All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you.
So,
May I have council appearance on Nicholas Bridge?
Good morning, Your Honor. Richard Bobby for Nicholas Bridge. You got to me so quickly, I didn't have a chance to put my coat on.
That's how we move here. We move.
I'll know that from now on. You're the best. Thank you.
So-
I have Nicholas right next to me.
Okay, very well. Thank you for that. And this is going to be a personal request. Do you have Discovery?
I do, Your Honor. There was one video that I was looking at, but I'm very confident that we're going to dispose of this at the next listing. That it's going to be a non-trial. I just need to cross some T's.
Very well. So let's do 30 days. Okay.
Mami, pon tu socio aquí.
Thank you.
Perfect.
All right.
Your
Thank
Honor, I have one other case.
Yes, and I have your appearance on that one.
Richard Bobby on behalf of David Pollock.
All right, and Pollock is present.
Are you on here, Dave?
Firma aquí ya.
Pollock?
I'm here.
Okay.
Okay, there he is. Can you put on your video, Dave?
Yeah, if I can figure out how to do it.
Ahí sí.
Hold on.
Okay.
There.
Geraldine,
Thank you. All
Dale
this is
comida,
for
ahí, toma.
450 with no reading.
pero hay comida
Correct,
aquí.
Your
¿Para qué tú le vas a hacer sopa?
All right. Very well. Mr. Pollock, I'm going to swear you in. Please raise your right hand. Oh, Mr. Pollock, are you still there?
Yeah, I'm here. I can hear you.
Okay, that's fine. Do you
I
affirm?
don't know what happened to my video. It locked off.
Not a
Oh,
problem.
toma
Do you
recibo.
affirm or swear the testimony you give will be truthful? If so, answer yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do you
Mira
consent
ahora,
to this
¿cómo
plea
tú me vas a dar a
virtually?
mí una vaina que se secó ya? Dame esa mejor, mami.
Do you consent to this plea by being taken virtually?
Yes.
Are you a United States citizen?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle in Deptford Township on or around June 14th of 2019?
Yes.
And had you consumed any alcohol or drugs prior to that operation?
Yes.
And what did you consume or ingest?
Alcohol.
Did you know what brand or what was it?
Vodka.
And was that by the
Ve acá.
glass or
Y ya
shot?
está
Just a couple shots.
el dinero.
Some shots.
Sí, yo,
Would
yo
you
te lo di a
say-
ti.
when you say, yeah, because now
El
I'm
papel ahora
asking
me
how
mete que yo te
many,
di
is it
así.
a couple or some?
Some.
Yo creo que era recibo. Déjame. Ve acá,
Do you know
Geraldine.
how long you have been consuming vodka, the duration of time?
Ve acá.
I really don't know. It's so long ago now.
Ve acá.
Okay.
Couple hours during the day.
And
Oye,
is it possible that the drinking of the alcohol affected your ability to safely operate a motor vehicle?
Dame la lapicera, güey. Hasta aquí mismo.
All right, and what happened? How did the police come upon your car?
I had an accident actually.
And would you
No,
agree
yo
that
sé,
there's a
yo no voy a
valid reason
reportar
for the
completo
police to
tampoco.
approach your vehicle?
Right back to the same shit I just talked.
That was someone else, Your Honor. David, would you agree that the police had more than enough probable cause to interact with you and initiate this vehicle stop?
Ahí sí, tú firma aquí. ¿De quién?
Okay. And once they approached you, did they ask you to perform field sobriety test?
Yes.
And based upon the unsatisfactory completion of those tests, were you arrested?
Yes.
All right, and are you now voluntarily pleading guilty to operating under the
Sí.
influence?
Como 900,000 pesos.
yeah.
no lo de ahí.
Do you believe
Depende
that the
cuánto yo
state
gano.
will be able to prove your guilt
Oh, shit.
beyond a reasonable
Esa dirección
doubt
mal.
based upon your admission and your
¿Pusiste
failed
427?
test?
Yeah, I suppose.
Okay,
No
well, you
importa.
understand that you have a right to go to trial?
Yes.
Are you waiving
Ponlo ahí al
the
lado.
right to
No
trial?
importa, ponlo ahí al lado.
I
714 Sycamore, apartamento Cedo.
mean, I should be talking to my lawyer about all this. I mean,
Dave, this is what we discussed. So this is the tier 1. The judge just needs to know that you're doing it, that you're doing this plea voluntarily.
Okay, yeah.
That no one has forced you to do this, correct?
No, nobody forced me.
And you and I have talked about this case extensively in the past, correct?
Yes.
And do you have any questions of me?
No.
Okay.
And you understand you're waiving your right to go to trial?
Yeah.
Do you understand you're waiving your right to bring forth any witnesses or cross-examine any witnesses?
Yes.
Do you understand if you were to proceed to trial, you could be found guilty or not guilty?
Yes.
And are you satisfied with the services of your attorney?
Yeah.
Are you under the influence of drugs or alcohol at this current time?
No, ma'am.
All right. And would you like the court to accept your guilty plea?
Yes.
All right. Handed that to you a while ago. Right, state has indicated that there was a 20-minute, was that was that observation or lockout? What was that?
Observation, Your Honor.
Oh, just 2-minute lockout. 20-minute observation issue. Okay, 92, 81. So oh yeah? Okay, counsel, this is a third.
This is a third offense?
It is. It's an 82. There was an 82 and a 81 and 92.
Mm-hmm.
So we would have the step down, right? Oh, the first one between the step down was between 81 and 92. Okay, right. So we're looking at a third.
What they're gonna what?
Your Honor, could we adjourn this for the 30 days then and bring it back on the same day as Nicholas Bridge so I can discuss this further with Mr. Pollock?
Yes, but this is what I want to do. I guess I won't be able to. I'm just trying to get a see where you are before the 30 days. So
right.
If I need to schedule it for trial, where would we be? We would be in July, August. All right, 30 days is fine. That's fine. All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I'll get that date and I'll work through it.
Thank you. All right, so we'll just I have not yet entered this plea or finding, so that's where we are. Okay.
Okay. I appreciate it, Your Honor. Thank you for your courtesy.
You're welcome. Is that
Dave, I'll give you a call in 2 minutes, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Do you have one more? Or...
No le esté mimando.
Okay, have a great day, Counselor.
May I be excused?
Yes. Enjoy.
All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Council appearance for Mary Manyoga.
Good morning, Your Honor. Stephen Trout representing Ms. Manyoga.
Thank you. I have in front of me E21-1031. That matter is dismissed. Careless is being dismissed, and there's going to be a guilty plea with a civil reservation to the delaying traffic.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Ms. Manyoga,
I think you broke up a little, Judge.
oh, Mary is present with us?
I saw her name, yes.
Okay, Mary Manyoga, do you plead guilty to the delaying traffic?
Yes.
107-533 cost that's entered with a civil reservation. Are you able to pay that in full within 30 days?
Yes.
All right, you have 20 days to appeal. All right, thank you. Anything else, Counselor?
No, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You as well. Thank you.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Edwin Morales, name and date of birth, please.
Good morning. 9/17/80.
All right. You apply for the public defender?
Excuse me, ma'am?
You would like to apply for the public defender?
Yes.
Do you affirm or swear the statements you make will be truthful if so answer yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently employed?
Yes, ma'am.
And what's the name of your
What is it? Capstone.
and what's your hourly rate?
We get paid by what we do, basically. So I would just say around like $15 an hour. We get paid by like the truck, so we average like about $15 an hour, man. Somewhere around.
Okay, so how often are you paid? Are you paid? Okay, you're muted, sir. Are you paid weekly, bi-weekly, monthly?
Sorry, somebody was calling me. It broke in. Okay, I didn't hear you. Sorry, man.
How often are you paid? Is it weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly?
Weekly, ma'am.
And how much do you get every week?
What is it? 400.
Okay, do you have any minor children you care for?
Yes.
And how many?
I have 4 kids.
All right, I'm going to approve your application for the public defender, assess a fee of $200. You'll be responsible to pay that, and your matter is going to be postponed. Next time you come to court, you'll speak to your attorney, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You're free to-
Thank you.
Counsel for Lindsay, is there Lindsay Williams? Is this an attorney, Adam? Maybe, okay. No. The attorney represents which one? Gotcha. Is counsel Lindsay Williams?
Yeah, good.
Judge, that's my matter, Nat Portella.
Give me 1 second.
I'm over here, Judge.
All right, Vera, would you please hear it again?
Yeah, Judge, good morning. For the record, it's Matthew Portella on behalf of Ms. Williams. I'll waive a reading of the charge, Judge. I believe the state has a recommendation.
All right, so this is what we'll do. Yes, I do see this in front of me. Since I do not have CUD, we will E21354. The matters against Lindsay Williams will be dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Judge. And Judge, as well, for Ms. Cudd, there was a cross complaint on the careless driving against her that she's satisfied to dismiss that without prejudice, but I know that Ms. Cudd has a 6B2 that the officer wrote that we have no involvement in.
Got you. Very well. So the careless
Mami,
CUD
la China tiene un crédito de 700, de 689 por ahí.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, have a great day, Judge.
As well, thank you. Bye-bye.
Lindsay, you can sign out. I'll call you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Kevin, is that White House? Are you trying to get my attention? If you already spoke to somebody, Kevin, you can wait. That means I had.
No, porque a mí no me importa que sea entre los 7 hermanos. A mí no me importa. Pero lo que sí me importa es que hay que sacar todo esto porque imagínate cómo yo voy a trabajar.
Tamara Corbett, name
Lo que
and
me
date of
importa es
birth.
que no me vengan a mí con disparates aquí, que me venga a controlar, que venga. Oye, si él quiere a pagar 300 pesos mensual, el problema, yo doy un cuarto de abajo, que se vaya bien abajo.
Not guilty.
Guilty.
107 is the fine, 33 costs, 20 days to appeal. Are you able to pay in full or would you like a payment plan?
Sí, pero ella dice que va a vivir.
Okay.
Eso
So
es
are
ahora.
you able to break it up into 2 payments?
Eso es ahora, pero antes
It'll be
quiere su
50 a
casa.
month, and
No
then
me da
the
mi cosa
balance
vaina,
will be
quiere su casa, quiere su vaina.
40, 50,
Porque mira, todo eso es de él.
Okay.
it'll be 50 and 90.
Todo eso es de él. Y mira.
When will that start?
July 6th.
Todo eso es de él.
All right.
All right, you're free to disconnect. Thank you. Answer and completed. Is this a fax? How was it?
Todo lo otro es de él, menos el freeze. Mira que tiene.
Like Haddon Township is
Todo eso es de él. Que si yo estuviera aquí en esta calle, yo tuviera eso aquí limpio ahí, esos muebles para tu casa. Hubiera regado esto, lo hubiera ponido aquí. Hubiera cogido todo lo mío, hubiera subido para el cuarto principal. Alquilado 2 cuartos de abajo. Y yo me busco mi trabajo ahí.
All right, let me have Antoine Herbert.
Y mucho que yo le decía a ella, pero eso una inversión, entonces si yo invertí aquí.
Okay, Mr. Herbert, do you have a phone number to DT Printing?
Yeah, it should be on that fax with an extension.
Yeah, we can't read it. Like, we can't read it.
Y yo, si
It's not legible.
Fax number and the extension number.
Si Ariel no me consigue trabajo hoy, si no hablo con el jefe hoy, yo voy a coger la troca y me voy a llenar la aplicación.
I just have one document. I have one document in front of me.
I sent 3 papers.
Claro,
man.
sí, porque lo mío es tener right. Si tú tienes que darme right, me lo voy a ir a la mañana y vengo para atrás, porque yo me, como tú dices, es sacrificio. Yo estoy dispuesto para sacrificarme. La única forma que yo dejé el otro trabajo era por los muchachos. Después, con el trabajo de la fruta, yo dejé por los muchachos. Porque de llamar a Life a Beside.
1 second, okay?
Recuerda, por eso fue, si no yo estuviera trabajando ya. Eso es lo que yo digo, a mí no me importa a la mañana. Porque lo mío siempre es una meta. Yo estoy trabajando y me enfoco ahí y me quedo ahí. Mi meta es esto y esto. Cuando yo cumplo con mi meta, entonces a ver lo que puedo hacer, yo hago otra cosa.
Huffnell, name and date of birth, please.
Renee Huffnell, 52778.
¿Entiendes?
What's the
Porque yo me pongo de una vez.
2778.
En 5 años yo pago esta casa.
1857. This
Yo,
is
solo, yo lo pago.
suspended,
Me
carry
voy a
fine,
trabajar la
loss of
fruta,
license, incarceration,
pongo la
third
china,
or subsequent.
hacer esto por 80,
And
la ayudo a
you're
invertir
requesting
más en por 80.
postponement?
Correct.
Right,
Y
that
así
is
yo sigo,
postponed
y así yo sigo
45
trabajando, porque
days. Thank
mi
you.
cosa es enfocarme. Cuando yo me enfoco, ya olvídate, nadie me va a sacar en eso.
Charles Harris, name and date of birth.
0320 1981.
E211847, driving while revoked or suspended, that carries a fine, loss of license, incarceration, third or
No, que yo
subsequent.
necesito tener
Failure to maintain lanes,
una de
that
esto,
carries
una
a fine and motor vehicle points.
licencia para eso,
5 no
una
insurance, that
certificación.
carries a fine,
Necesito sacar yo.
possible loss of
I
license.
don't got no insurance.
Well, you were cited for that, sir. And then we have
Sí, pero
5.
no, es que buscar una certificación para eso. Y eso yo la puedo sacar, pero no te para eso.
My insurance card.
Okay. 5-4 safety glass, that carries a fine. Would you like to be represented by an attorney?
No.
Hey, pero yo no quiero hacer eso.
No.
Is that a yes?
I have my insurance card. I have my insurance card either way, so you can't even like I gave you my insurance card on top of that. As a matter of fact, I don't even know if we gave my insurance card back, but it don't matter because I can get a copy of it right online. So it don't really matter.
It's gonna be postponed 45 days, okay?
Huh?
Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. Brian Fanine, name and date of birth.
Brian Fannin, 328, 1989.
28? 328?
328, yes.
Got it. Thank you. All right, so this is E21725. That's being amended to ferry to exhibit document. That's a downgrade. And how do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Yo estoy en vivo, vete a chequearme en vivo ahora.
20 days to
En
appeal.
vivo.
Are you able to pay in full or would you like a payment?
YouTube.
I could pay in full in 30
No, yo
days.
tengo ahora dos
Thank you. What's set
oyentes.
up?
Thank you.
En corte, yo lo
Have
tengo
a
en
good
vivo.
day. 1 second.
Thanks, you too.
Give me 1 second.
Claro, yo estoy en corte, ahora mismo, ¿tú no ves? Yerelín, Yera, mira, mi tío, la puerca, yo hablo con tabaco, y Enjo, ¿dónde está? Enjo, y papi, ¿dónde está? ¿Ah? Se fue. If you haven't already, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. We are right now in court. Oh my God, you see that picture? You see me in the middle right there? Yeah, that's me right here. I'm gonna show you a little bit right here. That's me. This is how we doing video court right here right now. Yeah. So I'm
actually in video court.
Is this for real? Like,
Yeah, this is for real. I'm waiting for my turn. Me, I pro se. I don't play around. Now I'm gonna put everything online. Like, I'm not playing no more. I don't care what it is. My information could get leaked anyway. So if anybody want my information, they all I have to do is go www.publicrecords.com, and guess what? Put my name in there, Freddy Feliz, and they're gonna see everything. So why not? I know, bro. Everyone is playing guilty, yo. I laugh at them, bro. Yo, I laugh. Watch the way I roll. Watch the way I roll. Even though I'm not the best on talking and having big adjective and nouns and whatnot and what I mean, But guess what? I'm gonna get it done. Don't be afraid of this court stuff. I do it. I did this before the virtual stuff, and I'm doing it after the virtual stuff. Meaning that even when I used to go to court in person, I wish I could have recorded myself and put this to the public, but I couldn't. And
All right.
yeah.
All right,
So
Mr.
there go the
Herbert,
judge.
you
So now
still here?
I'm letting the public know what's good.
Mr. Herbert.
Mr. Herbert's not here.
Okay, Antoine left. Antoine Herbert, you left.
Look at the guy with the cat. You see the guy with the cat?
Have counsel appearance for Tracy Everin.
Counsel person, hurry up. Then she didn't finish everybody with
Good
counsel.
morning, Judge Evan Laval on behalf of Tracy Everin.
Yeah. All right, so give me 1 second. Are we looking at a citation as well as a criminal complaint? Is that what we're looking at?
Judge, my understanding is the criminal complaint was dismissed at the prosecutor's office several years ago. So the only thing I'm aware of, Judge, are two tickets on separate dates. C38828, which is a 340, and E12004123, which is also 340.
Oh, give me that E12 what?
004123.
All right, let me see if I can locate that one. All right, there. This ticket number right here, I don't see it in this pile. E124123. Okay, so it's was there Trinity? Okay, so all right, very well. Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much. Okay, we have the C38828 and the E124123, both are being dismissed with contempt of 100 on each.
Yes, Judge.
All right, and is your client with us?
Ms. Everin, can you unmute, please?
Hi, I'm here. Sorry.
Are you able to pay that in full within 30 days, or do you need a payment plan?
Yes, I can pay it in full.
Okay, very well. Thank you. All right, that's is
Mira
that
bien.
Mr. Laveau?
Yes, Judge. Thank you. Good to see
Pues sí,
you.
mami, yo le hice la secretaria la prueba.
Thank you.
Ms. Everin, I'll call you later today.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Counsel for Tyrone
Ay,
Mansfield
usted va a llorar si
Jr.
yo no te quería hacer ahorcar así.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Steve Lukeach on
Sin
behalf
querer.
of Mr. Mansfield.
La maté yo primero
Thank you,
ahorcándola.
DJM 776.
Y después Jeremy la corta y
Let me just
no,
have the
corta,
prosecutor.
corta. Yo le dije, yo le
Mr.
puse
Prosecutor, Mr. Fiore.
yo lo marqué. Había 3 muertos y uno vivo. Y yo dije, Jeremy, coge el perro.
Might I have you go on the record for
y sécalo un
Mansfield
poquito,
and the
pa'
state
que-
not being able to proceed on
Pa' que
anything?
quite toda la nariz. Y viene él, lo aprieta y el ombligo lo sacó sin querer. Y sacó todo tendido. Lo hizo muy fuerte. Había uno vivo. Y no me mata.
December, and the card had expired,
Entonces,
Judge.
Junito
With respect to the psycho
sacó uno vivo.
defense attorney
No sé si está vivo.
extensive medical records
Había
of
2 vivos.
Mr.
Había 2 vivos.
Mansfield.
Ya me mató uno y se quedó Junito con uno.
Actually, the defense attorney sent me copies of x-rays on this individual, Judge, and it's clear that he couldn't perform the psychophysical
7
state
perritos.
response.
Unos perritos así, mami. Así.
Pretty
Sí,
severe
de grave.
diagnosis, Judge. I'm not a
Por eso
medical
que se
doctor.
quedó
but I
trancado.
looked at the x-rays, Judge, and twisted spine, if you will, Judge. So the state can't prove the 450 beyond a reasonable doubt based upon the fact that bleeding was not damage and psychotherapy upon the
Based upon that, this is being dismissed for lack of prosecution. That's the 450. In reference to the field sobriety test. Then we have the E-2343. Lane traffic is being dismissed. Reckless, Mr. Mansfield Jr., you present?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
So Kevin has been admitted to reckless driving. To reckless driving, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
I plead guilty, Your Honor.
Fine is going to be $157.33. Cost 20 days to appeal, as well as a 30-day loss of license that will be given today. Okay, are you able to pay in full within 30 days or a payment plan?
Yes, I can. How much was it again, Your Honor?
Para el doctor, para que le haga un parto. Tú dices que tú lo quieres pagar
Yes, Your Honor.
teniendo tú tu dinero, pero no quieres gastar dinero.
You're free to,
Mándalo a
is that it, Mr. Lukash?
¿Sí o no?
That's all I have, Your Honor, yes.
¿Sí o no?
All right, have a good day. Thank you.
Your
Dime
Honor,
sí o no.
can I drive?
Entonces,
I'm at work right now, and I need to get home. Could I drive home today?
If you were to leave right now. But
por
unfortunately,
lo tanto,
right, I can't
entonces,
give
si
you
tienes
any more than an hour.
déjala que se la meta, ella necesita
Thank
su
you, Your Honor.
vitamina.
Thank you.
Sí,
All right, thanks. Bye-bye.
tú,
Judge, Mr.
si no,
Mansfield,
ay, no, yo no voy a pagar todos esos cuartos. Te mando a espero matar, mándalo a
And
matar.
Mr. Herbert,
Entonces, tú prefieres pagar los $1,000, ¿verdad? Juan y Marisa no quieren pagar los $1,000.
yes, okay, I'm going to deem you in
Mandaron-
compliance,
mandaron
okay?
matar.
So you're good to go.
Oh, D-Range, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you're good. You don't have to come back.
A Jeremy fue que llamó.
Oh, like,
Jeremy
I
me llamó a mí.
complied. I thought you meant like, actually, I was about to say
Él me está
something.
escuchando
Thank you.
ahora.
Can I ask you a question again?
Yes.
I need my license again. I keep asking
No
you.
mami todos los días.
What do I keep? I don't know what I keep saying.
I don't know. You told me last time that I should call the court, and I called them like, you know what? I'm gonna just call again and then try to see. And then, but what I'm saying is, if I continue the payment plan, that lifts it, right? Because I'm making a payment on the thing, right?
Not if you stop making the payment and then it went into the suspension.
Oye, pero por eso
Right,
que se fue
so
con Frank.
if it's in suspension status because you stop making payment, then you would have to
Yes.
make a lump sum payment before you can get a rescinding order.
¿Ya tuviste esa foto?
And then I gotta talk to the court to even see what that is, right?
Yes, that's right.
Digo, ¿quién más, papi?
But I'm done. I don't have to come to court again.
Not for this. No,
Okay, I don't have nothing else in Deptford, right?
I can't answer that because if when you call the court, you can ask them.
That's tough.
Claro.
All right.
All right, thanks. Have a good
Thank
one.
you.
Bye-bye. Beth Lindsay, name and date of birth.
2165.
All right, your matter is dismissed. You're free to disconnect.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're done. We're good. We're good. All right. Brandon Davis, name and date of birth.
Okay, I take that back. Good, how you doing? Well, there he is.
Brandon Davis, 11/23, 1988.
DJM 2531, driving while revoked or suspended, carries a fine.
I don't think my name was called. Hopefully it wasn't.
Made too much noise. Can you get somewhere?
I'm right here. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Okay. Driving while revoked or suspended carries a fine, loss of license, incarceration, third or subsequent. Unlicensed carries a fine and loss of privilege. You're seeking a postponement?
No.
Okay.
Well, I'm in the process right
Mami,
now.
todos los días.
Trying to retrieve my license back. I was incarcerated for 5 years, and when I went to the motor vehicle, I had to with the COVID. I went in, they gave me an appointment, and here I am thinking that I paid, and I got my license back, but now that was towards my surcharge. It wasn't actually my driver's privileges back. So I'm in cahoots of doing that as we speak.
Okay, so it sounds like you do need a postponement, so I will grant that, and you'll get a new court date in the mail, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Have a good day. Thank you.
All right, you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Cameron, name and date of birth.
Yeah, I'm gonna put on call June 15th,
1993.
DJM 815 is being amended to lane fail- Oh, that's being delaying traffic. That's what it's being amended to. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, she did talking to me. This shit ain't no damn game.
Cameron
Yes.
Hall, how do you proceed to the amended charge? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
107 fine, 33 costs, 20 days to appeal. Are you able to pay in full in 30 days, or would you like a payment plan?
Payment plan.
50 a month beginning July 6th. We'll mail this to you. You are free to disconnect. Thank you. Jason Gillen, name and date of birth. Jason Gillen, name, date. Is this attorney matter? No?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, Jason Gillen, name, date of birth.
Jason Gillen, 8470.
S 2017.
I'm not gonna say that
1329. Was there a
because they already
Barbara
recorded
Marble
it too.
present?
So if I say that,
No,
it's
she
like
didn't show up today.
basically
Thank you. This will be dismissed without
being
prejudice.
an asshole.
6 months, okay?
So I don't want to
Thank
be
you.
too bad.
Feel
So I
free to
want to go
disconnect. Have a good day.
lenient with
Take care.
them so they can meet me at my level or I meet them at their level because you know
Dejan
they are
Hodges, name and date of
professional.
birth.
They went to school for this.
Dejan
know.
Hodges, 11/27/2002.
So I don't want them.
DJM 3385.
I don't want them to see. Oh, this is smart ass. You a smart
That
ass.
has a fine loss
And make it
of
harder on me.
privilege.
So
And you're seeking a postponement?
I just go pretend that I don't know anything, but know something.
All right, matters postponed 45 days. Thank you.
You see how I do it. It's actually my first time in public court. I mean, public eyes, man. I'm telling you, this is gonna be recorded forever.
Like, do you see?
The judge just muted herself. So let me see how many people there is still. It's 33 people. Participant. Still 33 people. Nah, well, let me see. 1, 2, 3. So it's actually 30 people, not including. Oh, we still got some attorneys. We got a lot of attorney cases here.
David Powell, name and date of birth.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
David
6,
Powell,
7.
name and date of birth.
Yes, Your Honor. David Powell, 11/6/80.
We got
DJM
9 attorney
3141.
cases.
It's a fire lane, parking in prohibited area fire lane. How do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
21 people?
Guilty.
57 is the fine, 33 court costs. You have 20 days to appeal.
Oh, no, 20
Are
people
you able
because
to
they got the
pay in
court
full
time.
or would you like a payment plan?
Then we got how many
No, I can pay
trials?
in full, ma'am.
All right, you have 30
1,
days to do that. Thank you. You
two,
are free to disconnect.
3.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Appreciate it.
3 trials. So the trials is always at the end. We got 20 people to go, not including me. So 21 more people to go.
Chase Rand, name and date of birth.
Chase Rand, 8/22/2000.
E211373. Careless is being dismissed.
I know there's
for the
no such
allegation
thing
of
as
creating a risk. How
professional,
do you plead?
but
Guilty or delaying traffic?
the age
Guilty
we
or
live
not
in.
guilty?
Guilty.
107 fine, 33 costs, 20 days to appeal. And are you able to
There
pay
is
in full
professionalism.
within 30 days, or would
Because
you like
they
a payment
practice.
plan?
Practice.
I can
like
pay in
that.
full.
I don't practice this
All
stuff
right,
every
thank
day.
you. We'll
The
mail
judge
this
come
out
up
to you. Have a
Monday
great
through
day.
Friday
Thank
and
you,
practice
Judge.
this stuff Monday through Friday. So it's professionalism then because she did it for a certain amount of time. You understand? That's all she do. Practice and practice and practice. The same thing. Like, I wish I would have went live last recording. You can see she's recording the same. She's saying the same thing over and over again. Cases, one case.
All right, we can have
might
counsel
change.
appearance for Oscar Sanchez Nava.
You know, some
Good morning,
cases might
Judge.
change.
Bruce Baxter
Another
on
case
behalf of
won't
the
change.
defendant. I need to reach back out to him. If I could just hold that for a minute, please.
Absolutely.
You know,
Thank you.
ma'am.
and they memorize the docket number.
All right, can I have counsel appearance for Michael McKillop?
Memorize
Jr.?
the ticket numbers and stuff like
Good
that.
morning,
So
Your
that's
Honor.
practice.
This is Attorney Robert D.
That's why they call
Persia
it
from
practice.
Haddonfield on
Won't
behalf
practice
of
in
Michael
law.
J. McKellop Jr.
Thank
Waived
you.
from a reading of the complaints. There were actually 11 summonses before the court, and there will be a guilty plea to the 39,450. This would be a first
See,
offense,
39,450.
second tier.
I'll go look that up right now.
In light of that
39,450.
plea, the state is dismissing the remaining 10 matters.
Okay. And we have Mr. McKillop Jr. with us.
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
All right, sir. Mr. McKillop, I just need you to identify yourself so I can find you. Can you say something?
It's a court upline for a misdemeanor exception to employees.
Mike, you need to unmute yourself.
For 39,450.
All right, so will we come back to this?
Your Honor, I just spoke to him. Maybe he has to reconnect, but that's fine. I'm back. I'm going to just confirm and follow up.
Thank you. Very well. Thank you.
Right here. 39,450.
All right.
Underage. Oh, underage driving.
James Miller, name,
driver
date of
under
birth.
the influence. Look at that. 39,450. 39,450.
James Miller,
This is what I'm
December
talking
12th,
about. New Jersey
1994.
39,450.
All right.
That's the law.
So we
that he
have.
was talking about. So underage driver
What is this?
under the
Suspended
influence.
registration.
Wow. So he's an underage driver
294.
under the influence. Look at that.
That's being amended to ferry to exhibit document dismissed with court cost of 33. Then we have 9-5.
That's what they call practicing because
license
they
plate
remember all that stuff.
unclear, or that's what it says, dismissed. And the registration expired. Do you have your registration?
Yes, ma'am. The prosecutor looked it up when I spoke to him and seen that it was valid.
Okay, so that'll be amended to ferry to exhibit document dismissed with court cost of 33. And all right, this is my question in reference to the tinted windows. Are your windows tinted?
Yes, just factory tint, ma'am. That when you buy it with it, it's a Honda Odyssey. We didn't add tint or anything, just normal how it comes when you buy it.
Right, but unfortunately, that's not necessarily means that it's the law in New Jersey is that you can't have tint.
That is not true.
So how do you plead to that guilty?
The law in New Jersey. Let's talk about the law in New Jersey.
Guilty.
All right,
NJ.
so fine is $24, court cost is 33, 20 days to appeal, and the insurance.
Yeah, so the law prohibits windshield right, windshield and windows.
Yes, I spoke with him.
In the
I
driver's
have it. It's my girlfriend's car. She only has a virtual card. I have the policy number and
Glass in the
everything.
rear doors and back windows may be tinted. Right here.
Well, is that okay?
Let's talk about this. See how she said that it's,
right, you
it's
would
not
have to, right, like, no,
that's a lot.
unfortunately, it's not okay, because I would actually need to, like, if you
Says
have
right
the
here.
information in front of you, you could read it. You have
Glass-
the
I
information.
do. I have all the information that's on the
In
card.
the rear
Read me
doors,
the,
glass in the
date-
rear
the
doors
date
and
that
back
it's
windows
valid.
may be tinted. However,
If the
there are
effective
standards
date
for
is
how dark
12/15,
or reflected they
2020,
can be.
and the expiration date is
So basically, even
6/15,
the
2021.
judge lies,
And what's the card
which
that's
is
listed?
which they
It
could
is,
lie.
08 Honda Odyssey EX.
Okay.
I can give you the VIN as well if you need it.
And
Nope,
especially the
that's
08,
sufficient, so
the
that's
08
that
comes
matters just
tinted
for
from
court
the
cost
back
of
windows
33.
back. So if the front window not tinted, then you good.
So you, it's
Basically,
66 plus
the law says
57
prohibited to
plus
for the
33.
windshield and windows and the drivers
Okay,
and passengers
99,
doors.
57. All right, so that's about 150, 160 something. Are you able to pay in full within 30
So
days?
if
or
the
we get a
driver
payment plan?
Yes, ma'am. I can pay in full.
All right,
in the
we'll set
front
that up,
windshield in
and
the
we'll
driver's
have a
side
copy, okay?
or not tinted, you
Okay,
good.
thank you. So
Yep, okay. Yes.
I'm good then. I
Yes.
just have to go to that show up to
So
document
if
day,
we look
that's
that
all?
ticket up,
That's correct. That's all you have to do.
Awesome.
it up.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
What code is this?
Great day.
You as well. Thank you. All right, Mr. Baxter. Let me see if Mr. Baxter.
We're ready, Judge.
Okay. Can I have your appearance again, please?
Good morning, Judge. Chris Baxter on behalf of Oscar Sanchez Nava.
Okay, Sanchez,
Yes, Your Honor.
you're with me?
Yes, I am.
All right, so I have E2277. Okay, one second. Okay. So what, okay, so speeding is being dismissed, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very well. And then this failing to maintain lane
It's
is
the
being amended to
statute
reckless driving.
39,375.
No objection. Waive any statute of limitations.
Very well.
Yes, Your Honor.
And how do you plead to that, Mr. Sanchez Nava? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty, Your Honor.
157 fine, 33 court cost, 30-day loss of license.
We could go at it all day, you know.
450 state is indicating that the reading came in at 06. There was no blood, no urine, no DRE. That matter is being dismissed, lack of prosecution. And then we have the 49-1 being dismissed. And the criminal charges being amended on S-2020-946 is being amended to 2C:35-10C3 to turn over. And how do you, and then, oh, he's dismissing the, oh, wait a second.
That's all marijuana related, Judge.
Well, why did he amend it to begin with?
He didn't amend it. It went up to the county as a mischarge.
Oh, they had already got it.
And
Okay.
they downgraded it to that charge.
So pursuant to Attorney General guideline, that is being dismissed and it qualifies for expedited expungement. Okay. And are you able to pay in full within 30 days, sir, Mr. Sanchez?
Yes, Your Honor. Whenever you guys need it, I got it.
All right, we'll set that up. Thank you. Anything else, Mr. Baxter?
No, ma'am. Pleasure as always.
Likewise. Have a good day. Thank you.
Have a good one, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay.
Your Honor.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Your Honor, Mr. McKillop was indicating he was trying to get invited into the chat room. He was waiting for an invite, so he should be in if he was invited.
Into this courtroom?
Yes.
Okay. So McKillop, are you here?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. 22919. Sir, I'm going to swear you in. Do you affirm or swear the testimony you give will be truthful? If so, answer yes.
Yes.
Okay. Are you a United States citizen?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle in Delaware Township on or around November 7th of last year?
Yes.
By operation, had you consumed any alcohol?
Yes.
What did you consume?
Around 5 beers.
You know what brand of beers?
See, they stitch yourself up.
Bud Light.
Do you know how long you were consuming the beer?
See what
I
I
want
mean?
to say 4 to 5 hours.
Okay. Did the drinking of that alcohol affect your ability to safely operate a motor vehicle?
Yes.
You should tell her to turn in her camera. What you mean turn in?
And was there a traffic stop?
Your Honor, this was a motor vehicle accident. Mr. McKillop was attempting to yield onto 55 from a ramp, and he didn't yield correctly and judge traffic correctly. He came in contact with another vehicle. There was no personal injury. The police report concerns the same. The prosecutors reviewed the same and confirmed no personal injury.
Okay, so there is a stipulation of probable cause?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very well. And Mr. McKillop, were you actually performing field sobriety tests at the scene?
Yes.
And based upon your failed completions or unsatisfactory completions, were you then arrested and transported to the police station?
Yes.
And while there, were you asked to provide breath samples?
I was.
Did you provide those samples?
I did.
All right, so counsel, you stipulating to the reading being within acceptable tolerance limits?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. McKillop cooperated with the New Jersey State Police at the Belmore's Barracks. He did submit 2 valid samples upon request. They did come back within tolerance pursuant to the Chun calculators of a 0.14, which would be the admissible reading in this case. I did review the same with him in my office. He understands that, and that would be the basis of his plea.
Okay, and then the truncated reading being a 0.14, you agree with that?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay, got it. Mr. McKillop, are you voluntarily pleading guilty to operating under the influence?
Yes.
Are you enforcing you to plead guilty?
No.
You believe the state would be able to prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt if you were to proceed to trial?
Yes.
And you understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial, correct?
Yes.
You also understand that you're waiving your right to cross-examine witnesses or bring forth any witnesses. You understand?
Yes.
You understand that if you were to proceed to trial, you could be found guilty or not guilty.
Yes.
And are you under the influence of drugs or alcohol at this moment?
No.
You had the opportunity to speak to your attorney in reference to this plea and the consequences?
Yes.
Have you been able to answer your questions satisfactorily?
Yes.
And would you like the court to accept your guilty plea?
Yes.
Let's go, baby. Welcome to my
Okay,
live
and I
stream.
asked you that no one forced you to do this, right?
Welcome to my live
Yes, you
stream.
did.
This is Freddy
Okay,
Feliz.
very well. So I'll accept the guilty
The
plea
crazy
into a
hair.
finding of guilt. This is the first offense.
If you haven't already, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe.
33.
As you can see, I'm right
assaults,
here.
50 violent crime.
I'm right here.
75.
Waiting to be
75
seen in
safe
court.
neighborhood. DWI surcharge of 225. This is going to be a indefinite license suspension, but conditioned on the interlock at 7 months. 12 hours of
He just got his
intoxicated driver
license.
resource center. You have 20 days to appeal. Do not drive during the suspension period. If you do, you could expose yourself to an indictable charge that could include jail and fines. A second offense would include the same.
Basically
fines
making a
and penalties
contract
just
with
mentioned, but
freaking
just increased, as well as loss of license and community service.
with
Third
DMV,
offense is 180 days jail.
saying that you could get
8
locked
years
up
loss of license,
for
30
driving
days community service,
because you
$40
made a
by
contract with them.
USC, as well as the installation of the interlock device.
Your Honor,
Okay.
we ask that the plea be entered with a civil reservation.
That is
course.
correct. This plea is being
Civil
entered
res-
pursuant to the
civil
rules of
reservation
civil
means-
reservation. Remaining matters are being dismissed. Prosecutors.
Civil
All right,
reservation
payment will
means
be
that
50 a month
they
through
cannot use
July
this
6th, and
case
always pay more
on
soon.
another case.
Okay, thank you so much.
Well,
you.
I mean,
Anything
they cannot
else,
use the
Counselor?
plea agreement
Your Honor, the
with this
documents
case
he needs from the
and bring
court
it
for
up
the
with another
installation,
case.
when would he be able to get
So
to it?
whatever happened in this case, stay on this case. Can you not use this case,
Do
or
we
because he
know that
copped
it can
out
come
or
up?
doing this, you can they can't use that? Oh, he already used.
Installation
He already,
of
he already
DWI, he needs
copped
that.
out to whatever he copped out to, and try to.
Okay,
Let's say
so,
if he
we
get
do
get
mail-
another ticket or
Court
whatever,
said that if we can mail it, we can email it to you.
they can't use this case.
I
with
know
the
that
new-
he has the
with the new
installation
assistant
set up
case that
already.
he-
He just needs
that
to
he,
take the documents from the court so
basically
he
that
can get
he
them motor
uses.
vehicles.
Caught.
It is mailed, or if he wants to stop, if he wants to.
Okay, you hear that, Mr. McKillop?
Yes.
It'll be mailed to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor, I appreciate it.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you. Have a good one. Yeah.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
So
Counsel
welcome
for
to my
Sean Miller.
live stream. This Freddy Feliz. I have court session today. I'm showing it live. I'm waiting for my court session.
Morning, Your Honor. Steve Richardson for
I
Sean
don't
Miller.
have
Had
public
on mute
defender
there.
or lawyer. I
Right,
process. So this is
DJM
why I'm going to show the
2331
people.
and 32,
How to
and this is
process.
going to be postponed for the state to review something.
Yes, Your Honor. I've received discovery what was outstanding as of the last hearing, but in discussions with the prosecutor, I raised an issue of on operation that the prosecutor needed to take a look at, and it may require a motion. So we're asking for an adjournment.
Very well. Matter is postponed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is that it for you?
That's it for me. Thank you, Your Honor. Mhm.
Okay, thank you. And can I have counsel appearance for Patel?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Aditya Surti representing Mr. Patel.
DJM 1527 et al. And
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I didn't hear you.
I just read the complaint, the citation number. So you're going to be filing a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes,
And
on probable cause.
Okay, all right, very well. And how much time do you need for that?
Your Honor, I just have a travel coming up for a good week, so I would respectfully request 3 to 4 weeks.
All right, so we'll do 30 days, okay?
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, very well. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Cherie McFadden, name and date of birth.
Cherie McFadden, 72490.
DJM 3147. Did you say December?
No, 72490.
Thank you. All right, this is a fire lane violation. How do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
57 is the fine, 33 costs. You have 20 days to appeal. Are you able to pay in full, or would you like a payment plan?
I could pay it full.
Thank you, ma'am. You have 30 days. We'll mail this to you. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Counsel for Dan Buck.
Freddy, Judge. Thank you. Good morning. May it please the court, Mark Moles appearing on behalf of Mr. Buck, waiver reading.
Thank you. SCJ 134647, matters be postponed for state to provide discovery. That'll be 30 days.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.
Stay safe. Bye-bye.
Freddy, Feliz, name and date of birth.
Here, Your Honor. Freddy Feliz, February 15, 1992.
Thank you. All right. So today we had English Trooper Laura Constantino summons to be here today at 9:30. It is now 11:51. Your matters are dismissed. You may disconnect.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a wonderful evening.
That's well. Thank you.
Guys, and there you go. Matters was dismissed because the officer did not appear to court. This is what I'm talking about, guys. If you don't talk to your prosecutor, I wish I could have went live when I spoke to the prosecutor, because I would have showed you or the people how to talk to the prosecutor. Because if you don't talk to the prosecutor and you let them know, like, look, I'm not no dumbass, you know, but in the right way, you know, I'm not no dumbass, you know, and I want the officer to be here and to prove that I was guilty to the charges or to the tickets you are summon me to court with. You understand what I'm saying? So once you talk to the prosecutor, once you go in front of the judge, it's easy. It's not the first time I did it. It's not the second time I did it. It's not the third time I did it. You know, I've been going back and forth with Camden courts and all the counties around Camden County. And if I feel, though, that I am not guilty to this crime or to this ticket that you're giving me, best believe we're going to trial with this. And they're not going to spend thousands of dollars on me to just go to trial, because they have to invest on people to come to take a stand. The officer need to take off their day off. Actually, that's their day off from work, so they're not going to get paid to come to court for this. So they're not going to get paid, so they're not going to do it. So, you know, this is what just happened, bro. I just spoke to the prosecutor. I told him that I'm taking it as trial. So the judge is only supposed to judge on the evidence that was brought forward to her or to the judge. So if the judge see, all right, so this guy wanna you know, he wants to take it to trial, but the alleged not I'm the victim, so the alleged person that want to go against me in court is not coming to court. Why? There's no evidence against me. So, you know, have a wonderful evening or afternoon, whatever it is. You know, that's how you beat the court. And that was a whole hour session wasted on my life because they want to take me to court, knowing that they can't even beat the case. So everybody that plead guilty in that courtroom right now, right? It's not even guilty. Why? Because there's no discovery. There's no evidence. If you can't prove that I'm guilty to the charges, even though I'm guilty, you can't press charges on me. I'm not gonna pay this ticket. I'm not gonna pay no court. Yo, if she would have said, "Oh, you got court costs," well, I object to that. Oh, why? Because why am I'm getting charged court costs if I didn't ask to come here? I did not bring nobody to court. You brought me to court. Matter of fact, the one she had court cause is the one that brought me that gave me this ticket. The one that was summons but wasn't even here for a summary. You understand? So that's why she didn't give me no court costs. A lot of people pay $33 of court costs. I'm not paying them $33 of court costs. That's what happened. I know what to tell the prosecutor. Once the judge see that there is no evidence against me, the judge gonna be like, "Look, man, this officer was summoned here. He's not here, so your case is being dismissed. Thank you, Your Honor. You have a wonderful evening." That's it. Bye-bye. And guys, thank you for being at my on my live section. If you haven't already, hit the like button. If you did, channel, subscribe. You already know this Freddy Feliz with the crazy hair. She's crazy shit right here. Yeah. Well, I got another court. I have another court session coming up. So this is the next court session is actually fresh. Matter of fact, I'm about to call the courthouse right now so you can see. When is it? Real quick. I'm calling the courthouse right now. It's not Deptford. It's Oakland. So you can see that, I am not BSing. This is real life stuff. They're messing with your life. They're messing with your financial money. They are messing with you. So if you don't,
Can I help you?
oh, I'm sorry. My name is Freddy, Feliz. I have a court. I had a court date. And I wasn't able to log into the Zoom. So I called in the next day, and actually I called in the same day and the next day because they told me to call in the next day. One of your receptionists, and I just wanted to verify the court date once again because I didn't receive no email.
Okay. And what is your first name?
My name is Freddy, Freddy. Last name Feliz, Feliz.
And what town is your case in?
Oakland.
You're scheduled for next week, Friday the 16th.
The 16th.
What is your email so we can make sure we send you the link, okay?
Okay, it's Anubis Pharaoh. It's spelled ANUBIS PHARO at outlook.com.
Okay, hold on. This is what I have so far. ANU B as in boy IS B as in boy HRO.
No, it's NU A. I'm sorry, I'm confusing myself too.
Okay, hold on. Are you saying A? Go ahead.
ANUBIS P as in Paul HARO.
Oh, okay, Pharaoh. Okay,
yes.
Gotcha.
At outlook.com.
Okay, so make sure you give us a call. And we're going to send you the link, so a day or two before your court date. But if you don't receive it, make sure you call us, okay?
All right. When do court starts again? At 9:30 or 9?
9 o'clock on the 16th.
9 o'clock on the 16th. Thank you, beloved. That was a great help.
You're welcome.
All right.
Okay, you're welcome. Bye-bye.
So on the 16th, guys, I will go live once again. I'm gonna make it a little short, maybe in the next couple of days as a reminder. On the 16th, I'm gonna go live once again to prove, how to talk to a prosecutor, how to process your own case, how to talk to a prosecutor myself. So hopefully this has helped you. Just if you haven't already, hit the like button. If you can subscribe, I'll check you out on the next live stream. I'm happy streaming game. I haven't been streaming my games because I have problems with difficulty with my with my computer and whatnot. I got low RAM, so I need to save up to buy more RAMs, and hopefully that works out better for me. But for right now, guys, next time more RAMs, and hopefully that works out better for me. But for right now, guys, next time